Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this nice occasion, I would like to deliver initiate global warming. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Nigusti Ayu Cantika Devi. I'm the representative of Vocational School 1 Tabanan. Ladies and gentlemen, let me thanks God because of His lasting blessing. I can stand here to deliver my speech. Global warming has been a subject of debate for the past recent years. The international community is trying hard to find ways to reduce global warming. It has a lot of negative consequences. The climate has become harsh and unpredictable. Excess production of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide through home activities has led to heat. The world has become hotter than the previous years. The number of cold and hot days has decreased. This has a lot of negative social impacts to the universe. When the climate changes, food security is threatened. Food waste is the most basic need every community has adversely affected. What the threatened there have been long periods of droughts, especially in places like Africa. This has led to the increased number of malnourished children in this place. Drought reduce production of varieties and overall consumption. The are projected risks of increasing in their health diseases and malnutrition, especially in low-income population. Ladies and due to the effect of global warming. Water disaster and flood have become unpredictable and more common, destroying human agriculture, forests, and infrastructure. Major storms and flood have occurred in the last two decades. The number of people dying from this disaster has increased drastically. In countries like China and Philippines, whenever there are funds, a lot of lives are lost. In places like the sub-Sahara Africa, transmission, distribution, and intensity of diseases like malaria are controlled by the climate. This has led to a great deal of negative effects poverty to the sub-Saharan community, diseases transmitted by rodents have been on the increase due to floods which bring human-rodent contacts. Childhood mortality in sub-Saharan Africa has remained high due to diarrhea. There was increased episodes of diarrhea in adults and children in Peru as a result of high temperatures, migration, and conflicts will increase as global warming increases. Communities in dry area will look for better place. Will people from the coast will move further inland as the water sea levels rise up. This will introduce break in community conflicts in developing countries. Migration will be from rural areas to towns and cities. This will affect low-income countries in Africa and Asia. When this conflicts increases to a higher level, it may spark political or even military conflicts. In the near future, if this problem is not addressed and dealt with properly, it may destroy human population, extreme weather changes, and unpredictable water patterns are a threat to human extinction. Human activities which produce carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide should be reduced. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your keen attention and have a nice day.